In today's video, I will teach you how to generate a sketch-style portrait using AI. Let's get started. Whether you're aiming for a soft pencil look, crosshatch detail, or ink-style rendering, Votar gives you a variety of sketch styles to choose from. This tutorial is perfect for beginners and requires no prior editing experience. To start, go to your web browser and navigate to Votar's AI artifacts. Once you're on the page, click on the Upload Image button or drag your image onto the Upload section. And make sure your image has good lighting or a clear subject for the best sketch results. Headshots or upper body portraits with clear outlines and neutral backgrounds work best for sketch transformations. After uploading your photo, check the left panel of the editor. Then scroll down until you find the sketch section. And here, you'll see several different sketch filters. Some resemble pencil drawings, others have a more ink or charcoal look. So click on the sketch style that appeals to you, and the AI will begin rendering your photo with the selected effect. And this process takes around 10 seconds. Now click the Compare button at the bottom right corner of the editor. This allows you to view a side-by-side before and after of your image. If you're not satisfied with the initial result, you can either click Regenerate on the effect thumbnail to try a new variation of the same style. Or you can select a different sketch style to see other interpretations of your image. Each regeneration gives slightly different shading and line work. And if you plan to use the same sketch style again in the future, you can hover over the effect thumbnail and click the star icon to add it to your favorites. And you can access all saved styles easily in the favorites section next time. And once you're happy with your sketch style portrait, you can click the download button at the top to save the image to your computer. And here are some pro tips for best sketch results. With this tool, your portraits can instantly become timeless pencil drawings, ideal for gifts, social media, creative projects, or just for fun. No drawing experience required, and no software to install. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.